A few weeks ago, Bradley asked us a question that hits the heart of a massive problem for UK investors. Can I record both my self-employed business and my landlord income in one place for MTD? If you're a consultant, a contractor, or a small business owner who also has a rental property, you are a hybrid earner. HMRC treats these two as separate income streams for MTD, and usually software companies do the same, forcing you to pay for two separate subscriptions. Today, I'm going to show you how RentalBux lets you manage both that lives under one roof. Under Making Tax Digital for ITSA, you are required to keep digital records for your self-employed business and for your property income. Navigating this usually means jumping between different apps, different logins, and paying twice the monthly fee. But in 2026, efficiency is about consolidation. Let's look at how this works inside the RentalBux dashboard. Switching entities. Notice here in the top right corner, you see the Switch Profile button. This is the key for hybrid earners. With one click, you can move between your different income sources. You can have two different income sources, one for your consultancy trade and a separate profile for your property portfolio, all under one login. No more logging out and in to see your total financial picture. Now, look at the bottom left. Here we have a switch mode. This is where RentalBux adapts to how you work. You can choose bridging only if you just want to use Excel spreadsheet for MTD compliance. You can choose property and bank for simple tracking, including property, banking, and MTD. Or, like we see here, property, bank, and accounting for the full toolkit, including property, invoicing, bills, banking, and MTD. This means you aren't forced into a complex system if you only need the basics, but the power is there when you're ready for it. So, which one should you choose? If you already use a spreadsheet and just need to comply with MTD, start with bridging only. It's the easiest way to comply with MTD with HMRC. If you want to automate your day-to-day, choose property and bank. This is where our auto bank feed and bank rules really shines. It pulls your data and bank rules lets you auto-categorize month on month and make MTD compliance hassle-free. And for the professionals who issues invoices to the customers, we recommend the full accounting mode. This gives you the professional invoicing and banking you need to run your consultancy and your properties side by side. The transactions are also auto-mapped for MTD compliance. The best part, you aren't locked in. You can start with bridging today and upgrade to the full toolkit as your portfolio grows. Now, before you can submit, there is one final technical step: authorizing RentalBux with HMRC. To do this, you'll need your national insurance number handy. You simply enter it here to verify your identity. Once verified, you'll see the option to continue to the HMRC portal. You don't need to do anything complex on the HMRC website. RentalBux bridges the gap for you. You'll sign in using your standard government gateway ID. This is the same login you've always used for your self-assessment. Finally, you'll see the screen. By clicking Give Permission, you allow RentalBux to securely send your digital records to HMRC. This permission lasts for 18 months and you can revoke it at any time. Doing this now, well before the August 7th deadline, ensures that when the submission window opens, you are ready to file in one click. Managing a hybrid income doesn't have to mean double the admin or double the cost. By switching the income source, you can keep your self-employed business and your property portfolio separately and comply with MTD. The first MTD deadline is August 7th. Don't waste the next 2 weeks fighting with two different apps. Start your free trial at rentalbux.com today and see how simple it is to file for MTD via RentalBux.